Hello, welcome to Parkessent. Today, I'm bored. Today I thought I would quench my boredom by drawing some roller coasters for you on this lovely whiteboard. For some reason, I woke up today and one of my first thoughts was, I really want to make a video. Unfortunately though, I'm not at a theme park today and the only thing I have access to is my desk and this whiteboard. So I've done what any sensible and reasonable human being would do, and I've written down some roller coasters, I've put them in a box, and I've got my whiteboard ready, and I'm going to try and draw some roller coasters from memory. The problem is with this challenge that I can't draw, so this is going to be very interesting, hopefully. If you do enjoy this video, this is my favorite. This is a favorite roller coaster. Yeah. I'm very excited. Okay, roller coaster we're going to be drawing. The ultimate. Let's get started. Yeah, that works. That works. So obviously this is funny because the ultimate isn't around anymore. It's dead. Right, let's do this properly now. In my defense, I can't draw, so that was a bit of a cop-out. Megaphobia. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the lift. No, I'm not. I can't draw the lift hill. So it's quite steep. There we go. I've drawn two lines because there's two sides of the track, because I'm clever. They'll say the ground's here. They'll say the ground's here. They'll say the ground's here. Got the supports like this.
A few moments later.
This was a bad idea. There we go. Megaphobia. TM. Well, that's been a raging success, I would say. Quality content. It's better than the first one. Okay, we'll do another one. And this one, the big one. Big one is I think I can do this better. So, found a colour. It's not red, but it's orange, which is close enough. The airtime hill, it goes a bit like that. And then there's big like I got excited with those X's. We went to Blackpool last year, not last year, in February, and the big one was closed all day, which is sad. It's been closed both times I've been to Blackpool, and I still haven't been on it. So apparently it's pretty good. I don't think this is too bad. I mean, if you look at it, and you didn't know what roller coaster it was, you'd be able to tell it was the big one. Please. Well, this video was a fail. If you've got any better ideas, please let me know, please. I don't think drawing is my best quality. I think if I was to do this again, I'm not doing this again. And that brings us to the end of a very epic video. If you did enjoy it, okay, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see some better videos than this. That's all I've got time for today.